welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about my very bad experience with a hairdresser. Hey, it's Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Welcome to my channel. I am here to tell you a little story about my latest haircut. Check it out. It's a dye job. I went for a haircut and she said, "You're going to walk around looking like that?" Insert picture of what I look like. All right, I'm off to fix this mop of hair. Here's the before. Ooh, there's the back as much as we can see. We're getting it done professionally, so it doesn't look like this anymore. And she said, "Your husband is so handsome. You walk around like that?" And I said, "Holy shit. All right, lady, I'll give you a chance." Before we get to that, let me introduce myself. I'm Melanie and I like makeup. I am just a normal person, no influencer, nah. I just like to make videos about stupid stuff, mostly DIY hair. Sometimes I do makeup reviews, foundation, I have rosacea, shit like that, and lots of swearing. Sorry, they sneak out, it just pops out of my mouth. So subscribe to my channel right now and let's get started. All right, so I got a haircut. And I said, before I go, I'm gonna make a Pinterest board of exactly what I want. And I'll show you some of the pictures. But then I got there and I said, boom, this is the one. I had my Pinterest board, there's one picture that clearly defines what I wanted in hairstyle, and here it is. This is the one I presented. I said, I want this color hair. Honey, caramel, golden, this color highlights. That's what I want. I want my hair to look like this. Just this. And then I showed her all the other pictures. I said, okay, see, like this is what I'm thinking. So here's all the other. So this is what I came out looking like. Boom! This is what she did to me. So imagine me sitting there in the chair and I'm looking at myself and I'm thinking, where are my cold caramel highlights? Where's my brown, dark brown? I am gray. I'm gray, and she's looking at me and she can see that blonde spot in the back of my head while she's cutting my hair. No wonder my bangs got all screwed up. This is what I look like before and after. I went in with blonde hair. I wanted dark caramel. Caramel pulled through in a dark brown, and this is how I ended up gray. Hey, so what would you do if your hair turned out looking like that professionally? What do you do? Leave me a comment down below about what you do, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Listen, I know this lady, she's really nice, gives a nice haircut, and she takes care of two of my kids' hair and my husband's hair. And I never let her highlight my hair before, but she's highlighted my kids. So I don't know. I'm thinking I'm gonna wait 2 weeks, rinse this all out, wash it all out, and then go have her fix the blotchiness. I mean, there's some real blotchiness in there. Oh. I really went through the phases though. I mean, I think the first stage is like hatred, and then like denial, and then just tears start rolling. Ah, the bad haircut. What are the phases? So I'm finally at the phase where I'm just gonna, everybody says don't do anything about it. That's the worst thing. Oh, your hair's over processed, don't do anything. I hate the way I look. It's really hard to do nothing. It's really, really hard. But I'm just gonna keep washing it and hoping and praying, and in 2 weeks, which is only like another week away, I will go see her. By the way, she went to a wedding after I cut my hair, so I have to wait the 2 weeks because COVID. So quarantine for 2 weeks to see if she gets COVID, and then I'll go back. That's it. That's my stupid video about my update, my quarantine update. Thanks for watching. Bye. Fucking blue hair. I can blue hair myself. Look, I blue haired it here, I blue haired it here, I did green here, and I know how to do blue. I mean, it's blonde. It's ash blonde hair. It's gray.